Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. I started this YouTube channel to encourage home cooking in order to achieve wellness. Follow the motto, let food be thy medicine. I will refer to other videos along the way. Please click the info icon on the top right hand corner to open the video panel. The wok is essential in my perfect cooking system, which you can learn more from this video. In the previous video, I make the arguments of selecting a wok with natural surfaces over a wok with non-stick coating. Next decision is what type of wok material to choose from among the woks with natural surfaces. There are 4 types of wok materials with natural surfaces. Number 1 is carbon steel, which is the most common type. Number 2 is cast iron, which is gaining popularity lately. Number 3 is light cast iron, which is a hybrid between carbon steel and cast iron. Number 4 is stainless steel, which is the most elegant as well as the most expensive. Each type has their advantage and disadvantage, but they all work very well under most situations. Some of the basis of selection is according to personal preferences. In the following, I will provide a general introduction to each of these materials. Number 1, carbon steel. They are by far the most popular. It is strong and lightweight, and it can be heated up evenly and quickly. Using my spot seasoning method, it is readily seasoned. Also, it cleans up easily. Furthermore, an old and rusted carbon steel wok could be easily restored, cleaned, and seasoned. One disadvantage of a carbon steel wok is that when they are heated, they change shape slightly, making them unstable to be used on a glass top electric range. Please see my video in which I have reviewed a 14-inch IMUSA carbon steel wok. Number 2, cast iron wok. They are gaining in popularity. They are more expensive and heavier, making them difficult to move around. They take longer to heat up, but they are readily seasoned using my spot seasoning method. Their handles are not insulated, so in order to move them, you have to use insulated silicone handle pad or using an oven mitt. They are well constructed and fun to cook in. However, they are impractical for everyday use. Number 3, light cast iron wok. They are the latest entry in use as a wok material. They are a hybrid between carbon steel and cast iron. It has the property of the cast iron wok. It will not change shape when it is heated, so making it ideal for use on glass top electric range. They weigh about the same as a heavy gauge carbon steel wok. However, they are brittle and they will break when you drop them. They are readily seasoned and they perform very well under all conditions. Number 4, a stainless steel wok. They are most elegant as well as most expensive. They do not season as well as the other 3 types of woks, but with some minor adjustment, they perform equally well. They are the easiest to clean and maintain. I like them because I like my utensil clean and spotless. Their weight ranges according to the thickness of the stainless steel. I have all 4 types of woks in my kitchen and I use them regularly. Please see my video on ranking my top 10 woks. There are many woks on the market, making the decision sometimes difficult. Please see my video on the 5 criteria that I use to review my woks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notification of my future postings. See you next time. Please stay safe.